In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your YouTube account. So before you go ahead to delete your YouTube account, I want you to know this. Once you delete your YouTube account, you can no longer restore it back, because all your videos, everything that is associated to your YouTube account, your YouTube channel will be gone. So if you are still sure you still want to delete the YouTube channel, so let's proceed. You have to do this through the Chrome browser, through any browser of your choice. Is either you use the Chrome browser or you make use of the Safari browser. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be making use of the Chrome browser. So let's log into our Chrome browser now. As you can see, we are inside of the Chrome browser. So what do you want to do here? I want you to tap on the search here, and I want you to type in these words. I want you to go to www.youtube.com/account_advanced. Let me take it again. I want you to go to www.youtube.com/account_advanced. So we want to tap on go. So once you tap on this, what this does is this. It will take you to your YouTube Advanced straight. This will eliminate the stress of going through the YouTube app. So this will take you straight to your YouTube Advanced settings. So let's wait for that to load up. So as you can see, once this loads up, what you want to do is very simple. You want to put in the Gmail you use when you were creating your YouTube channel rather. You want to enter the password. So once you do that, it will take you straight to these advanced settings. So once you get to these advanced settings, what I want you to do is this. I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see delete channel. So once you see delete channel, I want you to tap on that delete channel. So once you tap on the delete channel, it will ask you, are you considering deleting your channel? So this is like a confirmation from you. You want to tap on review in Google account. So once you tap on review in Google account, it will ask you to put in your password. So let's put in my password. So once you put in your password, you want to tap on next. So once you tap on next, it will ask you, it will take you to this final stage, remove YouTube content. It will ask you, do you want to hide your YouTube channel, or you want to delete, or you want to permanently delete your YouTube channel? Because we want to delete this YouTube channel, we're just gonna tap on this. I want to permanently delete my content. Tap on it. So the following will be deleted. Just tap on the following will be deleted. Tap on that, and tap on any subscription. Tap on this. Then if you check the bottom you are going to see delete my content. You just want to tap on this delete my content, and your YouTube channel will be removed from the YouTube homepage, from the YouTube account. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.